Welcome to our Share the Dignity. As a part of our 2020 vision, the Prefect body puts on a high tea fundraiser for the supply of sanitary items to women experiencing homelessness and victims of domestic violence. Together with the 1 Million Stars project, we are fostering connections with each other to cultivate trusting environments where girls can reach out and support each other in light of prominent societal issues that individuals face, such as racism, violence and bullying. Every woven star is a symbol of peace, light and courage, and a reminder to spark conversations to create change and facilitate forgiveness and healing. Together we can all share the dignity to uplift and support organisations that empower and strengthen women.
Okay, so girls, are we enjoying our first dignity? Yes! And why is this called something that's important to you guys?
Well, as really privileged people, we always take having sanitary items just for granted, and we need to be able to share the dignity that we have with women who aren't able to have that because they've been forced to leave their homes from domestic violence.
Thanks, girls. Enjoy the tea. Alright, so girls, have we enjoyed our last dignity?
Yes, it's been so much fun. There's amazing food and it's really good to support a good cause.
And also, why is the 1 Million Stars project something that's important to you?
We think it's important because girls our age especially really need to know what's going on. We need to be able to talk about stuff like domestic violence, so we think it's really good.
Thanks, girls.
Thank you.